Welcome you all to STEAM RIT, your go to channel for exploring the wonders of science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. Today, in collaboration with the STEAM Club of Rajalakshmi Institute of Technology, we're embarking on a journey into the realm of precision woodworking with a focus on a remarkable tool called as the wood router cutting machine. Let's see the router in action. As we delve into the woodworking marvel, let's start with the intricacies and application of the wood router cutting machine. Just like our previous exploration of the plasma arc mission, we are about to witness the precision and versatility that this tool brings to the world of woodworking. Let's talk about technical specification. The router, a power tool with a flat base and a rotating blade extending past the base, is a staple in woodworking, particularly in the cabinetry. Today, we are spotlighting a woodworking CNC routing machine with a size of 8.7 feet, capable of working with various types of wood in the XYZ direction. The driven motor powering the woodworking CNC router machine is a servo motor, ensuring precision in every cut. The specification includes is a single spindle head type, and it operates with a G code command. We have even used it for making instant face carving and creating the logo of Anna University. Now, let's talk about the applications. The application of the woodworking marvel are vast, and at Team RIT, we have experienced its potential firsthand. From crafting wooden doors to intricate gift articles, working with MDF, plywood, PVC, foam guards, waving boards, to even 2D and 3D marking. And also, we would work on indoor and outdoor signs. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's dive into the safety and operation of the wood router cutting machine. A crucial aspect highlighted by the STEAM Club of Rajalakshmi Institute of Technology. Safety is a paramount when operating woodworking CNC router machine. In addition to a dry run, operators should wear appropriate personal protective equipments called as PPE, such as safety glasses and hearing protection to mitigate potential hazards during operations. Regular maintenance checks on these machines component ensures optimal functionality and reduces the risk of malfunction. When using a wood router cutting machine, it's crucial to select the right cutting tool based on the type of wood and the desired outcome. The proper tool calibration and the machine setup are essential for achieving precision and avoiding issues during the cutting process. Operators should also be mindful of the feed rate and depth of cut to prevent material damage and ensure smooth operation. Let's talk about CNC cutting functions. The CNC cutting machine has a wide range of uses, especially in panel furniture production. Its functions include automatic typesetting, board blanking, special shape cutting, and vertical pushing technology. These combined functions make it an indispensable tool in the panel furniture industry. Now let's talk about industry application. Woodworking CNC router machine has found application in various industries, from furniture and decorations to musical instruments and also wooden handicrafts. To ensure personal and safety promotes industry development, it's crucial to adhere to operating procedures, pass examination, and to conduct thorough inspection before starting work. Conclusion. As we conclude our exploration of the wood router cutting machine here at STEAM RIT, organized by STEAM Club of Rajalakshmi Institute of Technology, we hope you have gained insights into the precision and versatility of the working tool. If you have found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content on the latest advancement in the technologies. Thank you for joining us at RIT. Until next time, Keep exploring the wonders of technology. Thank you.